How you going, guys? Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. I have actually made this to come off with the clips. So, but if I'm running the clip off system, I do put while I'm here, guys, if you look at this bag, you'll notice there's no clips on it. So I leave these bags permanently attached, and I don't use clips. So the guys that don't mind taking the system off every time, or if you turn up to your stop at night, you turn up to your stay at night and you're comfortable to leave your bags on your bike, you can just go in, pull your liners out and go into your accommodation for the night. I do that. Or if I'm somewhere where I'm not too comfortable, I just take the whole system off. But if we come over to the other side of the bike, the straps in between the bags, just so they support each other. So it sits a lot tighter it does sit a lot tighter when you're running the permanent attachment. So if you put the straps in between the bags, the panniers that come with it, it'll just hold it up that much better. But here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're off. So this is the other system that you can do. Getting stuck up. So you can do that and then just go into your accommodation for the night. And also while I'm here, guys, you can see this strap here is a little bit longer. So these are if I explain it to you, these are the connection points to the bag, okay? Now you can trim these off. These are literally, if I just show you, what these do is they connect the Rackless Base to the pannier, okay? So you can see how much longer that one is. That's not trimmed. So once you've got it set up, you can trim this tail off. Once you've got your bags and you're comfortable with it, you can trim the tail off this because they're so replaceable. It's just 25mm webbing with you put the male or female on this side, whatever you want to do. And then when you're setting it up on your bike, all you do is you come in through this way and back up through there. So your tag is on the outside. That stays tight there. And then you can see here. So your tag is on the outside. And then you put your clip on the inside part. But you don't have to do this every time. Once you're set up, you're set up. Right? And so there you go. And then we connect it onto our pannier bag. And then you don't have the excess strap hanging off. So be comfortable in trimming those down because they're easy to get 25mm webbing. And if you cut them too short and you want new ones, just contact us. And if you're a customer, we'll send you some out. So there you go. It's the clip-on, clip-off system. Just put the strap in between the panniers across the top there. It'll just hold it up and it'll still ride firm, ride solid all day long. All right, guys. Beauty. I'm Kurt, founder of Nomad Moto. I'll see you on the next one.